Hello everyone, my name is Victor and welcome to your video series entitled Your Plant Lab. These videos depicts on how I set up my garden indoors using artificial lights. Please click on the subscribe button below or hit like and share if you would, so we'll be able to exchange information as you set up your own project. All the best to you and stay tuned. This indoor garden is growing plants of different ages. Some are relatively new, given as a gift. I purchased the others in an orchid show more than a year ago. The remainder of my living plants before I started using indoor lights are approximately 2.5 years old. The plants may take approximately 3 months to start blooming, but if you recently purchased one with flowers, it may last for 4 months. A flowering spike may come out from another plant while the others are in bloom and the alternate flowering starts. The plant I have now has been giving me an alternating display of growth and flowering repeats for the whole year. I have to let you know that the curtains I have in my room are opaque, and I seldom open these to accommodate outdoor sunshine. These plants rely on all their light requirements on artificial sources. The watering frequency can be done every 2 days to once a week, depending on how much water you give to each pot and how the potting medium holds moisture. Hence, these plants can even wait for you unattended while you are away for a week. Some orchids appreciate some drying between watering. I give them a plant food diluted in water once a month, which is sufficient for my plants to send out new pseudobulbs that are much bigger and taller than the previous ones. A timer controls the garden light, where it turns on at 10 a.m. and turns off at 10 p.m. With 2 LED strips running for 12 hours a day, my average energy consumption in my apartment, including all electrical consumption at home, averages from 35 to 45 Canadian dollars a month. The temperature of my room averages from 17 to 25 Celsius. This temperature range is my ideal room temperature. The plants, however, can tolerate to 16 degrees and up to 29. Apart from seeing the joy of plants flower for you indoors, they provide the home with a great source of plant oxygen, absorbs carbon dioxide, and can be a great source of entertainment, being a conversation piece. You can set your indoor garden in a living room, a basement, a dining area, or a room. This garden is located in my room so I can privately enjoy my plants. The light source is bright and stimulating as it helps me stay cheerful on longer nights during winter here in Canada. Setting up this indoor garden can be done quickly by a family where every member can enjoy this simple, lovely indoor garden setup. Some can participate by watering the plants, some can pick the varieties, some can do plant propagation, and everybody can stay around it to enjoy. I can say that I have been growing plants under artificial lights for less than 2 years now, and I could say that if someone gifted you an orchid or any other plant, you can set up your own indoor garden under artificial lights so you can enjoy these plants in the comfort and privacy of your home, and these might ensure the health of your plants so they can bloom once again. My name is Victor, and thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned to the next set of videos, and please write your comments down below, as these are very important for the development of the video series. Thank you so much, and goodbye.